Oni makida gbo atanya oyi enwame. Mado kirega meri woto isanye. Eyoge eare to tuyo amekevai. Onebe bocho boy hona mo oni wo ekido alu. Eda yoge oni sigba oriwogbe. Aile orie osuromi buwere roshanye.
Again, I might understand any challenges of the borehole. But first, if my tramarelu was to look at any borehole keke no wire winner, so that maki won. You know, and but my even some of them are won, just like you said, because of our position. I came on Miami like a do. By the time we're sinking 200 meters, we're Miami. Luckily for us, we're Urumi Kai Miami, Baikanda Urumi, and somehow on the state governor Ochichi Lukari, they barracks Miami ye of Banos. So on a denori Ubohani, it had other kid dam on, other set up a dam, and the federal government did the dam, but the reticulation to carry the water from Uboha to Urumi. State government that invests 300 million in the business to make sure we are as we speak. Any pipe ni ijirebe urumi. Ebe kideke is not reanda, and ebe here is epokeza. Other jabi boni here. The way that China is, I didn't need meter keke, so that as bejare me nepa me meter. So on that work you read, then work is about hasa. So actually everything. Sample opinion from people we can't fear that's about how I mean $9 million angry. Eka high needed dami bohonya. Eka meaning ashona many this about that. So government kill any way. Ebe kid Kenyans need important meters in it. Then akimunku wa keke ni guano. Okay apply. Apply akimuni meter ni then akikona terminal. So only mama say Manaria yo maybe government in who's not China. There's no need to just spending real with boho. So these are my bona well, the first phase of the project is Urumi. Urumi that Kamie. Urumi Akimie. Nakiri work well. They will now extend to Ubiaja, Igweben. Then on a Duke Baloni, only that cover maybe Irua. Ekpo down from the campus. So maybe we'll look at reactivate it here.
Odimakida gbota nyo mpa. Oyikponare we uwo yo imaje. Ukpa no we na osasun sevo awe oni ebocho street lights. Oni local government siseni masena eyoge erewegbe mu ebosere we na ye keke. Bejada miege are rokpa osese ye we na. Osese ye reru. Osuromi bore wenaje how they reveta keke bossere wenaje.
Well, energy that rokba ni solar ni. Oni zena na memi a rokba of need say but of say also wide ava. Ona illuminana we had it always solar. Also ona use electricity NEPA be generator. But any loan contract ni va say for install the street lights, but if I say fix the generators they supposed to fix is part of the contract. If I say fix the generators, and then if I say connected to NEPA proper, prepaid meter or I connect to it. So they completed and they will hand it over to federal government project. It's only handed to local government. They market at the diesel generator and they market at the card for Ukba. Now they are buy but unfortunately I say hand over to also my sister money. But the solar, if we may some other go respect, then market and use the solar with some other adjoining streets.
On making a bono wenya or ehona local governments ayo given a koto or sike. Ebaria medivon we mama niwoha ibiane sede ikwo ne alu ne area me.
Well, also sometime last year, you see, everyone is a moment did difficult. Sometime last year, Mary will that by any equal about 40 of them. Mary Adweki. Since I keep home, Dweki va return On va return, Mac Boro, another 40 set of 8 to 40 will I carry return. So on the program need stop. Then also any money. Again, if I make it on the local government and win skill acquisition center. And I winner. So if my channel Luna is make sure when any machines any market service or any area market want to get them working again. They market encouraging money need all way winner. Market need tell us in the car go winner. Market need name my own winner. And by God's grace, I mean again it's about learning winner. My was okay actually I'm learning winner for now. No could that me winner. In one area and anyone and in no river. Primary school is a very typical example. I'm only room in my one between 14 and 17,000 emo primary schools in this area. So my thinking is I'm on the skill acquisition center name winner. I may will get this one. Money is about your okay on the skill acquisition center now. Okay, that's uniform need any students in area. And any students need let's assume 17,000. I may make any parents that the uniform day 5,000. Mark okay as government. My dear me 3,000. So when I work here, when I make a high also, they went out in this on the uniform, and they make sure on the uniform I got any students. Just like better time where you may the government as well. So must about set up even on Jario. Madigo needs about you one keke okay. My one 17,000 student in school. I mean so that's about the uniform. I mean 7,000 was about the mark you one okay. Where you this about the 100 in then so must have did then and then I can maybe a house then jointly local government will say every year will say you can't carry uniform, you know, and then they went on in meaning they are often I'm wearing a running when I'm afraid I'm later when marking me one and then mark your house, you know. So that's the plan I have for any money they but it's another thing when we sounds like you know okay, I now yes. Our cloning and people say what the calway winner only the problem. So only sensitization in my man, you know, matter encourage you and that there is dignity in labor, no matter how small it is. You know, at least for some of us, say we my career, or not go to a level I go with joy, knowing that because only one many man begin to adopt. Then when you see my other one person motor to go and catch it don't matter only motor in my own. So only my problem my own with me because just like if you want a year boy apply once any word that where you boy you nelu or are you school or you when I hear that more. So any mind the challenges that we have.
Ayoge okugbe ahu. Ayo oria mwemi re uda we won si he. Other mama wevo hoye. But what is a cadon? Are you gonna miamene bocho Lassa fever ge obuwe sound sesi? One kunanya natural biton or Lassa fever sha. Also me buere when I was ye.
Well, again, whatever my career got us this and block a big word here because for like 10 it for like 10-15 years I actually become security. So only my work alone, any major who need worry, my dad's only equal security, my dad because my yo, any would be cool. My your mother way, give I pick what we got or yeah, one my okay. I in the time of ignorance, God overlooked. My second overlook or my rap only equals we got hoping that going forward, that your and to make sure, and it's another thing, work you don't know a big cocoa got. But the question is, do you not be so madam divide Uromi into 5. Madam each side in one company your only area na whether that be cool e kiga get money when I that joy ni that do madam announce my madam ta make market one area put here. Any companies that you work can make you want to register with them so that I mean kick by or I 500 1,000 I can hire the dollar and so only that's the way my somebody pick up, but like I always say, because it's a new system again, where I'm in difficulty in having people comply, you know. But mine are relented because if you notice, Uromi is one of the local governments number high with Lassa fever, you know, and that's Lassa fever because of Eton. Eton, you are damn thing. So we are committed to making sure that we clean the environment, no matter what it is. If we have to, prosecute people, they might comply. We would have to do that. On that one, might as well Roger because they potential young people, they want potential. They move on in the local government now, or even the state forward. They have died through La Safiva, and we have to protect all of them, do everything that we have to do. So, we are coming all out. We are set up a structural remedy on our system, comply with AB environmental people, make more action court, and then okay, face the penalty. But so far, only the structured collective. My road from Paris, a kino collective from any direction. Like last 2 weeks, my dog do one particular area, Makiri or Mada or Co. Madam could right poison or work again. And I find my guinea going anywhere so much. And any friend I'm going to cost last half of in my case, so anyone in the boom boom be in any boom boom. So my did all be different areas, and then my make sure we in a kibi any street keke my clean on, and then my head time for when we safe or erosion be a jaffe fail. So we have told them they take into cognizance cleaning mentality. But I mean, you know, I was saying I create if no te wa nyara go bobo. So my only defender non defending or non. So only sensitization we are on it, and then we are also cleaning.
Chairman ikida neva taorio ba hwen wo wa jima ko bogbe oye mi rewe gbe oyo ahege ni government dolu ake owege ayi government dolu ni emi river ne bocho collective responsibility ba jima lo semane wo ma lo si ore ebi ma sabolu aho oria ki yoge oria no janya o ilu e ba hwen wo wa jima lo e pejada ye ni je mare mi esi oye gege mare nyo pobojo vi omona no mo na oriva ho ba lu omona no mo na oriva ho ba lu onu wa sabo ye ni lu we ye ni lo e jana nya wa ka hi chairman oshando ni bata o
o ke sa ba bu no e san me o mare da muja, and this san re ame o yi won lo ton pa won na no se wan ri no so awon ejumare aye keke makubo gbe mare make sure Esa no sema okay ami. Only government no sema na or mean very well for everyone sema. My needy cooperation no see everyone sema na dey mean anything mamure monore robo buy be that mean okay join. Maneru hon with the make ani everyone sema neru water man data okay. They cooperate with government anything ma try mare mure because ultimately anything my raise will ultimately be to the benefit of if you want to live in. Money room with a man, somebody young around the mind rule, but only problem I had if you want to rule, man say affect. As soon as marriage when I hear it, would my man and yo, oh, you want to last half of a while, my sender. So, my young boy, and the local government, I bet that maybe only if you're in Arivana. Is a case of honorable if you're a keki, I will know that day. So, my born a Kenya, my recoup with born a Kenya, I will know that one because only me or all big money or all poor money, only me or this about each other because a kiopa or a man, any poor man that day or a rich man that day. So, man, did come out with programs. You're not a big courage, I mean, now, Nigeria. One if you are telling you your name where. Ebi government tie the kind government. My name is Maria Cordero Kobogbe, and AES not we no some black planning non the local government on this 7 and in Willioko no some black market nada. And that note, me reggae na iba bobo and me yo some black repa. Ebi ba one way the agdoro lu wa. Mane yeru wa ba kikemare of we baby mo.
Ba bobo wo horo mi. Ose no blare power rewegbe ba ki he bi chairman itayerio ba hwen awowo ba ja kugbe okugbe oyahu e wo so ki owege politician yan no politician ri ono wa yerege e wo ma o e wo mai ba hwen awowo emi ni wa lu akhware akijerege onori ani o lo newi ba hwen awowo ba ja lo we local government is sending ma say eke o ma ge uromi o etan lo ane uromi o lo na uromi lo ni ne uromi ba mo hehe ba mo wo ba jima mo hehe miege ma ke chesu we dire keke eli mi a chere setonia inabo ba bobu